Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, Breaking the Barriers. So today we are going to study a grammar topic, editing. It is there in your CBSE syllabus for class 9th, 10th and 11th. If you are in these three classes, or if you are sitting in a competitive exam where editing questions come up, then you should watch this video to the end. Before starting with the topic, let me remind you to subscribe the channel and hit the like button if you like the video. So, editing is a grammar topic where you get a paragraph and that paragraph will have error in each line. Those errors means grammatical errors. You have to track the grammatical error from each line and you have to replace it with the correct word to make the sentence and ultimately the complete paragraph grammatically correct. Now there are certain topics, grammar topics, which are necessary for you to learn or understand if you want to solve editing properly. Now first I am going to give you a list of these topics. These topics are very important for you to understand if you want to solve editing correctly. So these topics are tenses, prepositions, articles, degrees of comparison. This is also a very important topic. Modals, determiners, and active passive also to some extent. Active voice and passive voice. These topics, tenses, prepositions, articles, degrees of comparison, are most important. You will get these topics in almost every editing exercise. There will be one or two errors related to these topics. So make sure that you are well versed with these topics, at least these topics, tenses, prepositions, articles, determiners. Degrees of comparison and models also play a vital or important role. So we'll see how to solve an editing exercise and how to tackle these problems. Let's take up an exercise and move ahead. So let's look at this exercise. See, this is how an editing exercise comes in your exam. And the heading is, the following paragraph has not been edited. Find the mistakes or errors in each line and replace them with the correct word. It is generally of 4 marks in your board exam. Here you can see there are 5 lines, but the last line has only 3 words at all. And this line does not contain any error. Now how will you say that, sir, why this line is not containing any error? How will you judge that? All the lines which are supposed to have error in them will be having blanks in front of them. Okay? In your question paper, you will be having blanks in front of the lines which are having error in them. Suppose the last line does not have a blank in front of it and this question contains 5 lines, still it is saying 4 marks question. That means the last line does not have any error. Now we'll start with how to solve it. Read the paragraph and try to analyze what it is talking about and it is written in which tense. Man has learned to communicate in a variety of ways. Communication is an inbuilt quality that we have. We communicate through our voice, through our actions. There are examples of communities uses whistles or tunes to express its ideas without bringing in words at all. Not only through voice, they are saying that there have been examples where communities, various communities of people, various groups of people used only whistles and tunes, musical tunes, to express the ideas without using the words. This is what it is saying. So now let's see how to track errors. You will make 2 columns in your question paper. 1 column for error, 1 column for correction. The error that you will find in lines will be written under this and the correction will be written under the other one. Okay. So let's start. How to track errors. Man has learned to communicate in a. Now here we see the word learned and has, but we will read the complete sentence till a full stop. It doesn't matter where the line is ending, you will read the complete sentence till the full stop. So see, the first full stop is here. Okay. Man has learned to communicate in a variety of ways. Man has learned. Now obviously this is not an ongoing process, this is already done. Man has already learned how to communicate. So here your error is learn. It is a task which has already been done. So we will use the past form. Man has already learned to communicate in a variety of ways. Okay, so we change learn to learn. Now let's come to the second line. Variety of ways, full stop. There are examples of communities uses whistles or tunes to express his ideas without bringing in words at all. Now I read it completely because the sentence ends here. There is no full stop in between. But the error is in second line only. So what could be the error? See, this off here is the error. It will be replaced with off with a single F. Why? Why have I done that? Because this off denotes something different. I am giving you an example for you to understand. Off with a single F and off with a double F. Okay. So when I say this hat is made of cotton, that means I am joining a connection. Hat is connected to cotton. This hat is made of cotton. Here we are using off with a single F because we are making a connection. But if I say put your hat off, put your hat off, that off will include O double F because I am not making a connection, I am disconnecting the thing. Get off my property, I am disengaging that person from my property. Put off this hat, I am disengaging this hat from my head. There, where a connection is disengaged, we use double F. Switch off the fan, O double F. But where we are making a correction, there we will use off. So here we are saying communication through variety of ways. Many ways to communicate. It is a connection. That is why we have used single F. We move forward. There are examples of communities uses whistles or tunes. Example are present. There are examples. So why we will use uses? We will use using. Uses will convert to using. There are various examples of communities using whistles or tunes to express its ideas. Why its? We are talking about the ideas of the communities. They are living beings. So, and together they are known as one singular person. Community. Communities, plural, community, singular. So, communities uses whistles or tunes to express its idea. Nahi, it will be their idea. Its will convert to THEIR. Their idea. Express their ideas without bringing in words at all. So this is how you solve an editing exercise. Now these errors could be related to the tense, like in the first, could be related to the preposition, like in the second and third, and also could be related to how you are going to denote that particular thing. And the topics that I shared you in the beginning of the video, articles, prepositions, determinants, degrees of comparison, all those topics you need to consider while solving editing exercises. This was a simple example. Through this example, I am sure that you are able to understand this thing. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe the channel. Help me grow my channel and also like the video. It will motivate me to make more such videos for you.